Hi, this is Francis from Easel. Today we're going to be talking through how to set up the Vetric V Carve post processor for Easel on your Vetric V Carve. To start, you'll want to download the post processor from Easel. So you can open an Easel project and go to Machine. You'll get a drop-down menu, and one of the options will be Drivers and Post Processors. It'll be at the bottom. When you click on that, you'll get a new tab that opens up, and you'll have the option for post processors here to the right, and you can select either Fusion 360 or Vectric Aspire. I'm going to select Vectric Aspire, and that'll download the post processor file, which is vetric-easel.pp. PP stands for post processor. I can now go into my Vectric software here and select Machine and Install Post Processor. And I'll click here, go to my downloads, and select vetric-easel.pp. So I'll select Open. And it'll say, do you want to make this the default post processor? I selected yes because it's the only post processor I'll use. You can select no. Then I recommend exiting out of vCarve, reopening it. It'll take just a second here, and then creating a new file and going to Machine and Add Machine. Okay, and then you'll want to add a post processor to your machine. So you'll click plus here and then scroll down until you get to Easel Gerbil, and you can choose either Easel Gerbil in inches or Easel Gerbil in millimeters, depending on which one you want to use. You'll select that and then apply and OK. And then you'll be using the Easel Post Processor with your machine. That way, when you export the G-code, it's at the Easel G-code spec, and you'll be ready to go. Have a wonderful day.
To learn more, head over to easel.com.